What up, guys? I'm gonna do a little thrift haul. Just of a bunch of stuff I've gotten lately. I recently, for Tastemade, did 5 videos that are gonna go air on Pinterest, so I'll keep you posted when that happens. And it's called It's Thrifted, the show. This is one of the outfits. So I was like all about kind of like this like slinky outfits and getting them at the thrift store. And you get them from like funny brands like Chico's and stuff. I've actually seen some that are brown, so I'm on the hunt for like the right brown outfit because I think it'll be really good for fall. But I'm kind of obsessed with this and I wear it a million different ways. That's sort of what I touched on in that video, so I'll share it when that comes out. But I love it because it's so easy. I don't wear a bra, I just have it open, so I just kind of am doing that. And then looking for like brands that I would never really be into that I'm like, oh, all right. Very travel friendly. Next up, thrift-wise, ooh, let's get into these. So, this is a pair I found. They're prints by Degas, and I didn't immediately know that. I personally have a affinity for anything jockey, anything like with horses. I have a thoroughbred, so I love thoroughbreds. I actually kind of want to do a gallery wall. I haven't hung these yet. Maybe like an equestrian themed gallery wall. I'm not really sure. I've got a bunch of pictures I've been working on collecting. Now the back of this says Bruner's Home Furniture Corporation. So obviously it was made for Bruner's, which, and this was printed in Culver City. You know, I looked up all the details of all these things and even the name of this print. This isn't the name of that print, and neither is this one. I can't find this sketch or this sketch. If you guys know anything, I'll show the back. Tell me, because I like am into the mystery right now. Oh my gosh, okay, so I feel very Sex in the City with this one because I feel like, oh my god, my fake Fendi. Anyone? Anyone? This shirt, it's so funny. It's got the little Fendi F's, and of course, like if I'm at the thrift store, I mean, as my mom always said to me, eagle eye out. So I got my eagle eye out when I'm there, and I'm like, my peripheral, what's that? Grab it. Now, I definitely think it's faux. I mean, I love that I haven't even, I literally just got it like 2 days ago. I think it still has the Goodwill, yeah, tag on it. That little giveaway is just that it says L. But it is the FF, and it's pretty funny, and when I put it on in the thrift store, I'm gonna make a little reel of that. I haven't done it. I was with my mom. It was pretty cute, so it's hilarious. I had to have it. Couldn't leave it there. Me and my fake Fendi. So funny. Oh, this also still has the tag on. Homeware, 4. You can take that off. Excellent. And just a pumpkin, but I think it has like kind of a nice realistic look, like if you put it off somewhere. I just figured, you know, it's fall. It's hotter than heck here. I love that I just said heck. Hecka, it's hecka hot. It's hecka hot, oh, maybe I'll just leave it on my little thing. But you know, I heard it's fall. I heard it's fall somewhere, so that's what we're doing. We're pretending it's fall in Southern California too. Now, I also got these this weekend, and I told my mom, I think they still have the stickers on. I was like, ooh, steep, $1.99 each. I mean, I'm really a cheapskate. Not always, but a lot of times. You guys know I'm crazy for blue willow and red willow, and then I thought the outside was so cool. And there's just something nice about the patina of these bowls. Let's see, only 5 altogether, but I got them because I needed something that was like a deeper dish bowl. This size is really nice and shape. So I was stoked. So I bought them $1.99 each, so 10 bucks for all 5. Under 10 bucks, actually. Is there tax on this? Tax on everything. Speaking of blue willow, this is one of the things that's great about having like a thrifty mom is she's like out and about looking for you. I mean, she's looking for herself, but she thinks of you. So she got me these like vintage, it's just like cup and saucer, which I have some, but you know, when stuff's old, and these ones say made in England. That's what's interesting about this whole Blue Willow thing, is they're all different. There's new, there's old. This is, the bottom just says made in Japan. I just like it. I just kind of mix it all together and I just think it's fun. Same day, she actually also found some red willow, which is less, I mean, it's more rare, basically. So I got 3 little bowls like that, but see like how nice it is just to have like a deeper shape. Like that's a noodle bowl. And I'm a noodle girl. It's true. So we got different shapes and I just mix it all the eras, all the whatever. And I just think the red and blue is so cute together. And you know, you mix it up and I like it. So that's what I'm doing. Ooh, but something else. All right, since I love red, white, and blue so much, this pencil skirt here, it is made by H&M, and actually it was originally an outfit and had a matching top. I had this outfit. I don't know whatever happened to it. It wasn't this red, white, and blue version, but I might even like this more. And I found it at the Goodwill and was so excited, so I bought it. Like a little knit, like mini skirt. Throw it on. So great for fall. If it ever gets hot. I mean cold. All right, so another item that I got recently is this task lamp. I don't know if it has like a specific name, the way it's like, I can do it in a way that you can make it. All right, and then maybe my final find are these trash little heels that I just love. I love lucite, love acrylic, love it in fashion, love it in home decor. And then I got a little like marabou. Oh my gosh, this reminds me, I'm gonna link to it. I did a video a long time ago, I have black hair, and I did like a DIY version where I literally glued this on to, I think it was felt, and then Velcroed it so it went around, and put on a pair of heels so I could take it on and off. But I found these at the thrift store and I was like, oh my god, I love them. And they've probably been worn maybe like at that point, because I've already worn them. One time, max. Just wipe it with like a disinfectant when I get home. I don't really buy shoes that are gross looking anyway. Like they always seem pretty nice. I throw them in the washer. Or these, obviously I didn't. Wipe them off and they're great. But I just think they're so fun. And they're actually pretty cute with the outfit I have on too, for night out. Yeah, get this ball rolling. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.